Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of the reveal for the Galactic Bundle. This will be released on Friday, August 31st, and I have a time for you guys now, and it's at 8 a.m. PST. So mark your planners, set your alarms, get ready because it's going to be an epic release. So in this plan with me, I'm using a Galaxy kit that came from the Planners Anonymous box. I'm not sure when this was. This was a while back, and I have just been hoarding it and waiting for the perfect moment to use it, which is now. So here I'm just showing you guys the things that I'm using. I'm using the sticker kit from the kit itself. I'm using the die cuts from the kit. And I'm also using the extra sticker kit that you can purchase along with the box. I will just put down the link to the Planners Anonymous box if you guys are interested in that. So these are the washi tapes I'll be using. This is also from the Planners Anonymous kit. And here is my beautiful epic space adventure part 1. Can we just take a moment to admire the detail on this thing? It's just so beautiful, and it's so amazing when you see it. I can't wait for you guys to see it over the spread. And that second tape that you saw was the same design except in shattered glass. This design will be available in 2 foil bundles. One is holographic and the other one is shattered glass. So you get to pick and choose. Right now I'm doing a poll on my Instagram to see how many people are actually planning on ordering. Depending on how many people order, I may or may not have to limit it to 1 bundle per person. So we'll see. One thing that I did want to mention is that this Space Adventure Part 1, there's a Part 1 in the title for a reason, because this is going to be the first of a series for this tape itself. So I don't want to reveal too much, but it's kind of like Pokemon, you gotta collect them all. This is Part 1 of a 5-part series, so get ready. I can't wait for you guys to finally see all the tapes come together. It will probably not be for another year or so, but it's going to look amazing once they're all put together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of made it more like a scrapbook type of planning, so it's definitely more decorative than functional today, and I did it on purpose because there's all types of planning styles, and I truly appreciate how everyone plans so differently. It adds so much variety and creativity in this planner community. So I hope you guys like this. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for the last reveal for the limited edition Galactic Bundle. Are you guys ready? Because it's going to be good. See you tomorrow.